What's up, guys? I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you're staying safe and healthy during this very challenging time that we're all kind of going through. I wanted to give you a quick update as to what we're doing right now for our home sellers. It's unfortunate, but I've heard about a lot of home owners not being able to work with our brokerage companies because they simply stop assisting sellers in this environment. So we're actually offering a service to our home sellers, our clients, a service that allows them to still sell safely in this environment, and that's through something called virtual open houses. So in short, what we're doing is we're showing properties live online to prospective buyers. We're answering their questions right then and there, and we're facilitating that sale through this new medium. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are kind of having some trouble right now, not sure what to do, if it's even possible, I want to let you know right now, people are still buying, people are still selling, people are still renting in this environment. Okay, so if you want to learn a little bit more about what I'm talking about, I know I was a little brief about it, go ahead and send me a text at the number that's below, or you can send me an email, and I'll be glad to help you out. All right, stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.